Sulphur Creeked Cockatoo, Australia. Wingspan 103 centimeters, length 48 to 55 centimeters, weight 815 to 975 grams. Both male and female are completely white with black-white. 21 to 23 days, no eggs. In wild, 20 to 40 years, and captivity 80 years. Diet: seeds, nuts, fruits, berries, roots, and some insects. Fisher's lovebird, North Central Teresa. Wings weight 18 to 9 centimeters, length 12 to 15 centimeters, weight 42 to 58 grams. Lifespan wild 12 years, capacity 15 to 25 years. Diet: seeds, grains, nuts, fruits, vegetables. Red jungle flow, Southern Asia, particularly in jungle of India. 21 days, no eggs. Length 65 centimeters to 75 centimeters male, 40 to 45 centimeters female. Tail length 28 centimeters, weight 2 kgs. Seeds, nuts, grains, leaves, fruits are the diet of red jungle flow. Sun conure, Northeast South America. Length 20 to 30 centimeters, wingspan 146 to 162 centimeters, weight 120 to 130 grams, 25 to 27 years lifespan. Diet: fruits, flowers, berries, blooms, seeds, nuts, and insects. Period: 23 to 27 days. White-eyed cornure, Northern South America. Length 30 to 33 centimeters, wingspan 20 to 25 centimeters, weight 100 to 120 grams. 26 days, no eggs. Period: lifespan wide 20 to 25 years, capacity 28 years. Diet: seeds, berries, fruits, nuts. White cockatoo, wingspan 25 to 31 centimeters, length 40 to 46 centimeter, weight 480 to 760 grams. 21 to 27 days. Period: lifespan in wild 30 years and in capacity 40 years. Diet: seeds, fruits, nuts, and berries.